the mall. Wow, ang gaganda. Guys. It's cute. What's this? Wow, black. Ay, this one, oh, I want. Oh my gosh. Ang cute yung ganito eh, no? Maraming design. Yan lang. Ay, let's look around. Pero mag-review muna tayo ng ating reward points. Reward points. Now, at the mall, renew my card. Okay, let's wait. May number na ako pero still waiting for the next counter. Mali yata yung na-press kong queuing. That's why. So, let's wait. Oh, akin pa mainit dito eh. So, I have to wait lang. I'm supposed to be at the Bridgetown. Kaya lang sayang yung nasakyan ko. So, dito na lang ako bumaba. I'm a little shy while taking film here. Pero, sana ma-push through ko to. I'm shy. Pero buti na lang, it's not showing the screen itself. So, let's wait lang kasi merong nauna sa atin. Mali lang yung aking number na nakuha for the queuing. So, just have to wait. Okay. Let's wait to call. And it's done. Yung ating sinusundan. Sana maalala pa tayo. Okay. Well, gagamitin ko yung points.
Gagamitin yung points.
Kung enough. Same card pa rin yung gagamitin. Same card.
Ano ma'am? Same, ano po?
Number.
Card. Different card number. Kapag na-renew.
Okay.
Hindi na ko nakaipok. Tapos,
That's for 5 years ulit or what? Okay.
5 years po. Kayo,
Hindi ko siya malink sa apps.
updated po ba yung mobile number natin?
Hindi.
Sige, check na yun.
Okay.
Hindi. Kumbaga, ito yung counter tayo, ma'am. Counter 5 po mag-50.
5.
Gamit ito.
Okay.
Nasabihin naman, renewal po. Dapat resibo lang ibibigay sa inyo, ma'am, hindi new card.
Okay. Then, babalik ako dito.
Babalik kami kayo sa akin.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So, we need to go to the counter 5. Where is it? Ano naman pala? So, where is it? Oh, ang cute ng dog. Where is this counter 5? Tingin ko muna. Ang counter 5. Ang tagal. Ang tagal ng ating store done in our renewal. Done pay. It will go up. Second. Yeah. Of course. CR muna tayo. Pwede ng isang customer. Yeah. Then the next one, singitan tayo ng something daw. CR muna. Let's wash. Let's go. Let's go around. Ayan. Let's eat. World. Yan ang gusto ni Liam. What we can eat? What can I eat here? Magkano dito?
125 po
Per?
125. Tatlong piraso.
Tatlo. Sige, isa ngayon. Ano pa ba?
Drinks po, kakangit.
Ano na? Kaya. That's the Seoul Bangkok. 125. Ayun pala, 190. Ay, it starts at 190. I was thinking to eat ramen, but it's too much. It's not time to eat a lot. Pero, yun ang kakainin natin. Yun lang. Oh. Ayan o, yung may sabaw. Yan dapat. Yung kinain natin before may sauce. Oh, wow. Oh, oh look at this. Ano ba tawag dito? Fish cake. Oh, let's taste the soup. Ang init. Super init. I think fish cake to. Ito nakakainin natin. Wala tayong drinks. Ang init. Per lang. Mugat yung table natin. Sarap. Parang kumakain ako ng dim sum. Ganun lang. It's just like that. Sarap. Ini sarap niya. Grabe. Ang sarap. Ewan ko ano tawag dito. Kalimutan ko. Ang sarap ng sabaw. This is only 125 for 3 sticks in 1 cup. Gusto ko to. Hindi pa rin nakarating na ang Korea. I think na-try ko din to sa Bridgetown. Kaya lang 1 stick lang yun. Kasi may iba tayong food na variety. Hindi ko maalala kung ano yun. Kaya lang manipis yung kanya ano. Pinaka, ano tawag dito? Dough. Wala. Kahit di na tayo minom eh. Parang umiinit lang. Umiinom lang ako ng ano. Ng hot soup. This is actually hot soup. Minute. Sana may corn dito. Go down. Tatakot akong inumin yung soup. Mainit. dito yung nasa winter air place ka. You're eating this very hot soup and this fish cake. Mm. Mm. Tapusin ko muna to. I think we're done here. Oh, gusto ko ng mais. Ay, mais. Ay, may mais. Nadumihan ako. Kasi nagkain ako ng churros. Dami makainan dito ah. Yaw-yaw. Look at this. I think we're done here. Oh, gusto ko ng ice cream. I think we're done here. Bigla ako nagutom. Parang kulang yung kinain ko. Parang I want to eat dinner this time. I guess we need to go home na. Yun lang ang ating budget. We don't need to exceed. Hindi natin kailangan mag-exceed that much. Daming tao. Dumarating. At this time, 7 na. Oh. Ito pa ang bata. But it's okay.